Hello Bee Earth families. Today we're going to make a hinged box. We have a 1x5. You can get these from Home Depot, less than $10. And this is a 1x10. We're going to need that. I'm going to introduce you to everybody. This is my daughter Araya. This is Zoe. This is Zeta. This is Zach. This is my good friend Tony Hart. He's a great carpenter, and he's going to help us today do this project.
The trick with this is we're not in a rush. Just take your time, try to stay on the line. And if you're not taking off enough, you just angle it a little bit more. And it'll take off a little more. If you need a little less, you just angle a little less.